Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Canva in 2025. Quick, easy, and step by step. Whether you're making a social media clip, a presentation, or just editing videos for fun, this guide will have you up and running in no time. First, head over to canva.com and log in. Once you're in, click Create a Design and select Video 1080p. This gives you a blank canvas perfect for your project. Next, on the left-hand side, find Uploads and click Upload Files. Now, choose the video you want to add. Canva supports most formats like MP4, MOV, and more. Once you select your file, it will start uploading. Don't worry if it takes a minute. The progress bar will let you know when it's ready. Once your video appears in the upload section, simply drag it onto your canvas. You can resize it to cover the entire screen by dragging the corners. From here, you can trim, cut, or adjust your clip using the timeline at the bottom. Want to add more videos? Click Add Page and upload additional clips. You can arrange them in the timeline, and if you want smooth transitions, click Add Transition and choose something like Dissolve for a professional touch. Finally, when your video looks perfect, click the Share button at the top right. You can either generate a shareable link or download your video directly to your device. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can upload, edit, and share videos on Canva like a pro. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.